Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly efficient exercise that can deliver remarkable benefits to your overall fitness, the 5-minute daily plank routine. Planks are renowned for their ability to engage a multitude of muscle groups, offering a comprehensive workout for your body. Join us as we explore the extensive advantages of incorporating a brief daily plank exercise into your routine. We'll delve deeper into each benefit, discuss the correct technique for planks, and provide insights for individuals who might need to abstain from planks due to specific circumstances. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier you. Before we begin these plank exercises, please press the subscription button and the notification bell so that you stay updated on our upcoming exercise videos. Now, let's start planking. 1. Core strength. Let's begin with one of the most notable benefits, core strength. Planks, with their unique isometric nature, target not only your superficial abdominal muscles but also your deep core stabilizers. As you hold the plank position, your abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles engage in a synchronized effort. Strengthening these core muscles not only enhances your stability and posture but also provides a solid foundation for almost every movement you perform. 2. Improved posture. The improvement in your posture is closely tied to the development of your core strength. As your core muscles become more robust, they aid in maintaining proper alignment and balance in your spine. This translates to a reduced likelihood of slouching or developing posture-related issues. Whether you're at your desk, standing, or walking, the benefits of improved posture extend into your daily activities. 3. Back health. Speaking of alignment and support, let's highlight how planks contribute to your back health. A strong core provides essential support to your spine, reducing the risk of lower back pain and discomfort. By consistently engaging your core through planks, you're essentially building a strong protective shield for your spine, which is especially valuable for those who spend prolonged periods sitting. 4. Enhanced balance. The balancing aspect of planks can't be ignored. Holding the plank position on your forearms and toes activates not just your core but also the stabilizing muscles throughout your body. With time, this engagement leads to improved balance. This enhanced stability can be particularly beneficial in preventing falls and injuries, which is especially relevant as we age. 5. Boosted metabolism. Beyond the immediate muscular benefits, planks also contribute to metabolic changes. The intense activation of multiple muscle groups during a plank session leads to a temporary increase in your metabolic rate. This means that even after you're done with your planks, your body continues to burn calories at a slightly elevated pace. It's a small yet impactful way to support your weight management goals. 6. Mental strength. Let's explore the mental aspect of planks. The act of holding a plank requires not just physical endurance, but mental endurance as well. As you challenge yourself to push through the discomfort, you're building mental resilience and discipline. This mental fortitude cultivated during planks can extend to other areas of your life, enhancing your ability to overcome challenges and stay focused on your goals. 7. Caution for specific groups. Now, while planks offer a host of benefits, it's essential to recognize that they might not be universally suitable. Pregnant mothers and individuals with specific medical conditions should approach planks with caution. Pregnancy alters the body's center of gravity and places additional strain on the abdominal muscles, potentially causing discomfort or compromising safety. 8. Alternative exercises. For those who cannot participate in planks, due to pregnancy or certain health conditions, there are alternatives that can offer similar benefits without the risks. Pregnant mothers can explore gentle pelvic tilts or modified squats to maintain muscle engagement. Individuals with health concerns should always consult their healthcare provider before beginning any exercise routine. Wrapping up, we've explored the extensive benefits of dedicating just 5 minutes a day to the plank exercise. Remember, consistency is your ally. Gradually increase your plank duration as your core strength improves, and always prioritize proper form to prevent strain or injury. If you found this video insightful, Please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with anyone who's eager to elevate their fitness routine through the power of planks. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, questions, or personal experiences. We will promptly respond to your comments. For more enlightening content on health, fitness, and holistic well-being, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and until our next encounter, embrace the transformative benefits of the 5-minute daily plank routine, a simple investment in your health with exceptional returns.